Why does your scanner show the P0613 engine code? What does it mean? P0613 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission control module processor fault. This error code indicates a transmission control module processor fault. It means the transmission control module is malfunctioning, miscalculating data, or failing to communicate with the vehicle systems. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: loose ground connections, failed TCM, damaged wiring, weak battery, software glitches. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Mazda, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.